The Karcher SC4 steam cleaner is part of the range of products developed by the world's leading provider of cleaning technology. Easy to set up and with storage for all the accessories, you'll be ready to go in just a few minutes. Using nothing but tap water, the SC4 deep cleans all round your home, killing 99.99% of bacteria. Using the extension poles, specially designed EasyFix floor tool and microfibre cloth ensures a deep clean on any type of hard flooring, including stone, laminate and vinyl. The floor tool can effortlessly slide into the carpet glider and be used to straighten, refresh and revitalise your carpets and rugs. A simple switch to the hand tool and you can continue easily cleaning all those surfaces that usually require a deep scrub. From tiles, work surfaces, cooker hobs and doors, to glass and shower screens, the SC4 is perfect for them all. The detail nozzle and brush lets you complete the job by getting to all those difficult, hard to clean places where grime and limescale builds up. What's more, the SC4 can be continually refilled, so when the water level drops, you can easily top it up and continue cleaning without delay. Once finished, the microfibre cloths can be simply removed and placed in the washing machine. The SC4 can then be stored away with ease.